Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And I found some footage that I forgot to process whenever we were doing strawberries this strawberry season, and I found it, and I'm like, you know what? You guys need to see this. So we had some strawberries that we processed. I believe it was for strawberry salsa, and I had a bunch of like juice left over from the strawberry salsa. So I saved it, and I went ahead and strained it and created strawberry jelly from trash. Literally, like most people would just throw that away. So what I did was I used my Pomona's Pectin. It's a low sugar pectin. I did try some of the strawberry juice before I started this, and oh, it was so sweet. It was so good. So I went ahead and decided to let's make it let's make it jelly. So that's what we did. I had enough to make, I think, like just a regular batch. Right here I'm using Pomona's Pectin and the calcium water. I love using this stuff because it's so low sugar. So, and then it makes it so easy. So we're going to heat up the strawberry juice and the calcium water. We're going to add the pectin and the sugar, and we're going to jar it up, and that's it. And we're going to use the pot that I cooked it in, because I just didn't want to drag out a big old canner since these are teeny weeny little jars. And we used a washcloth in the bottom so they wouldn't jiggle around or hurt themselves while they were in the canner. Jarred them up, canned them up, and stuck them on the shelf. So this was a really quick one, really fun, because we literally just made jelly out of trash. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until we see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.